Let's be honest, you scroll through Pinterest for hours, don't you? Pinning your dream vacation, that perfect living room, and recipes you swear you'll get around to eventually. But what if I told you that while you've been building your dream life on a board, you've been sitting on a business plan? Most people see Pinterest as an inspiration hub, completely missing that it's one of the best platforms to make real, consistent money in 2025. Maybe you're one of the few who's already tried. You spent hours designing beautiful pins. You linked to a product or two, and the only thing you heard back was crickets. You get a little bit of traffic, a few saves, but nothing that actually makes a difference in your bank account. It feels like you're shouting into a beautifully curated void, and frankly, it's frustrating. It makes you feel like you're just wasting your time. That's about to change. Let's reset what you think you know. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 specific smart tricks that will turn your casual pinning into a reliable income stream. These aren't just theories, these are the exact strategies top creators on Pinterest are using right now to make thousands every single month. By the end of this, you'll have a complete blueprint to start earning. All right, let's jump in with our first trick, which is probably the easiest way to get started: affiliate marketing. If you don't have your own product, this is your ticket. All it means is you promote other companies' products and you earn a commission for any sale that comes through your unique link. You're already recommending things you love, so why not get paid for it? But here's the common mistake. People just grab a link, slap it on a random pin and cross their fingers. That's not a strategy, that's just wishing. The 2025 approach is way smarter. First, you have to set up your foundation by switching your personal account to a free Pinterest business account. This isn't optional. It unlocks the good stuff like detailed analytics and rich pins, which pull extra info from websites to make your pins look more legit and clickable. Next, join affiliate programs that actually fit your vibe. If your boards are all about home decor, look at Wayfair or Amazon Associates. If you're into fitness, find programs for supplements or athletic brands. The goal here is authenticity. Only push products you genuinely stand behind. Your audience needs to trust you. And when you create those pins, you absolutely must disclose the affiliate relationship with a hashtag like #affiliate or #ad. Transparency is everything for building a community that sticks around. Now, the real secret weapon for affiliate marketing on Pinterest isn't just the pin itself, it's using the pin to build your email list. Instead of linking straight to a product and losing the sale if they don't buy right away, link to a valuable blog post you wrote. Something like, "My top 10 coffee makers for a tiny kitchen," where you review each one and drop your affiliate links. And then in that post, you offer a freebie, say a perfect coffee brewing guide. They give you their email, you send them the guide, and now they're on your list. You can build that relationship and send them valuable content and offers long after they've scrolled past your original pin. This next trick is where your income can really take off: selling your own products. Pinterest is a visual search engine where people are actively looking for things to buy. Seriously, a huge chunk of weekly pinners have bought something because of a pin they saw from a brand. They show up ready to shop, which is a dream come true for anyone with something to sell. And this isn't just for physical stuff like handmade jewelry or t-shirts. Digital products are a goldmine on Pinterest. We're talking ebooks, online courses, workout plans, meal guides, or design templates and printables. People are constantly searching for planners, worksheets, and art they can print at home. The best part? You create a digital product once, and you can sell it forever. So how do you pull this off? First, your visuals have to be top-notch. It's a visual platform after all. High-quality, eye-catching images and videos are non-negotiable. Stick to a vertical 2:3 aspect ratio, so your pins take up more screen real estate. Make several different pin designs for every single product to test what people respond to. You can use a tool like Canva to create gorgeous pins in minutes, including video pins or carousels that let you show off your product from all angles. Next, make buying from you ridiculously easy. If you set up a shop on a platform like Shopify, you can connect your product catalog to Pinterest. This can create a shop tab right on your profile, basically turning it into a little online storefront. From there, you can tag your products directly in your pins. So when someone sees a pin of a perfectly styled room, they can tap the lamp or the rug and go straight to your product page to buy it. Finally, give your Pinterest followers the VIP treatment. Create pins with an exclusive discount code just for them. That feeling of being an insider creates urgency and makes people feel special, pushing them to hit buy. And once a pin starts doing well on its own, think about putting a little money behind it with Pinterest ads to get it in front of even more of your ideal customers. Once you've built up a solid following, a whole new door opens, partnering with brands for sponsored content. This is where a brand pays you to create pins featuring their products. And in 2025, brands know that authentic Pinterest creators are one of their best marketing assets. The first step is to make yourself look like a pro. That means having a polished, optimized business profile. Your bio should say exactly who you are and what you post about, and you should have a link to your media kit. A media kit is just your creator resume. It shows off your audience stats, your monthly views, your engagement rates, and your best work. And don't just sit around waiting for brands to find you. Be bold and pitch the brands you already use and love. Make your pitch personal. Tell them why you love their product and share a clear idea of how you'd feature it to your audience in a way that feels natural and helpful. Brands see huge boosts in awareness when they collaborate with creators because you know how to talk to your audience better than they do. When you do land a partnership, Pinterest has a built-in paid partnership label you can add to your pin. This is super important for being transparent and keeping your audience's trust. It also lets the brand promote your pin from their own ad account, which can blast it out to a massive new audience. The key to killing it with brand deals is authenticity. People follow you for your taste. Don't just post a boring product shot. Weave the product into a helpful tutorial, a beautiful lifestyle photo, or an inspiring story. For example, if you're working with a food brand, don't just show the box. Create a quick video showing a full recipe and how you use their ingredient to make something amazing. That's the kind of content that works, gets you results, and leads to more brand deals down the line. This next trick isn't a direct way to make money, but it's the engine that powers everything else, mastering organic growth. You can have the best products and affiliate links on the planet, but if no one sees your pins, you won't make a penny. On Pinterest, the most important signal to the algorithm is one simple action: the save. When someone saves your pin to one of their boards, it tells Pinterest, hey, this is good stuff. The more saves you get, the more Pinterest shows your pin to other people, and a beautiful viral loop begins. So your number one goal should be creating content that people can't help but save for later. So what gets saved? Infographics, step-by-step guides, checklists, and how-to tutorials. Think about what someone would want to come back to. Instead of a pin that just says cute dress, create one titled 5 Ways to Style a Black Dress for Fall, showing 5 different looks. That is instantly more save-worthy. The other key to organic growth is a consistent pinning schedule. You have to be active to stay on the algorithm's good side. Aim for around 5 to 15 pins a day, mixing your own new content with other relevant pins. I know that sounds like a lot, but you can use scheduling tools to plan everything out in advance. You can batch a week's worth of content in one afternoon. And finally, think seasonally. People use Pinterest to plan for holidays and life events months ahead of time. Start pinning Christmas ideas in August, spring cleaning hacks in January, and summer vacation outfits in March. Use the Pinterest Trends tool to see what's starting to bubble up and create content around those topics before they hit their peak. If you line up your content with what people are already looking for, you'll have a steady stream of traffic all year. Our last trick is all about working smarter, not harder. It's time to stop guessing and start using data to your advantage. Your Pinterest business account comes with a seriously powerful tool, Pinterest Analytics. This is your mission control for making money. Inside your analytics, you can see which of your pins are getting the most views, clicks, and, most importantly, saves. This is basically your audience telling you exactly what they want. If one pin design, color scheme, or headline is crushing it, your job is simple. Stop doing what isn't working and do more of what is. Copy the style and keywords from your top pins to create new content that's already set up for success. Analytics also shows you who your audience is, their age, location, and other interests. This lets you tailor your content and your products to perfectly match the people you're trying to reach, making all your efforts way more effective. Once you've used your analytics to find your winners, the pins that are already getting you love organically, it's time to pour some gasoline on the fire with Pinterest ads. You don't need a huge budget. By promoting your proven, top-performing pins, you're investing in content you already know people like. You can create super targeted campaigns. For example, you can run an ad for your wedding planning printables that's only shown to people who are searching for or saving pins about wedding ideas. You can even run conversion campaigns designed specifically to get sales or email sign-ups. When you combine the intel from your analytics with the power of ads, you create a predictable, scalable system for making money. Okay, I know that was a ton of information and it might feel like a lot, but I promise turning your Pinterest account into a moneymaker is completely doable. And of course, if you got any value from this video, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to build your online business in 2025. So there you have it. 5 smart tricks to finally make money on Pinterest this year. We covered the easy entry of affiliate marketing, the massive potential of selling your own products, the power of partnering with brands, the secret to organic growth through saves, and how to use data and ads to scale your income. Stop thinking of Pinterest as just a digital corkboard. It's a search engine full of people ready to buy, just waiting to discover you. The opportunity is huge, especially if you're willing to be strategic. You have the blueprint. Now it's time to stop pinning just for fun and start pinning for profit. You got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.